how to fix Arris TM1602 modem not working. So here you can go ahead and see the causes or problems in the Arris modem Wi-Fi. So incorrect network settings, firmware issues, physical connection issues, overheating, interference from other devices. So here's how you can fix them in 8 easy steps. So this is found in browser. You can go ahead and search. First is the check your internet connection. So make sure your internet service is working properly by checking for any error messages on your modem or router and contacting your internet provider if necessary. So make sure this isn't the root of the problem before moving on to these other steps. Next is to check your modem's wireless settings. So access your modem settings by typing its IP address into a web browser, which should be found directly in the back of your modem. Then navigate to the wireless section and check that your network name and password are correct. The next step is to update your modem's firmware. So firmware updates often contain important bug fixes and can improve your modem's performance. So check for any available updates on the manufacturer's website or through the modem settings if applicable. Then the fourth step is to reset your modem. So if all else fails, try resetting your modem by pressing the reset button. You can do this by doing a hold for 10 seconds. This will pretty much erase any customized settings, so it's gonna go back to its normal features as when you had it the first time. You're gonna have to connect it all over again, but resetting should help in some way. You can also change your wireless channel. So your modem may experience interference from neighboring networks on some signal, so try changing your wireless channel to the modem settings to see if it improves performance. You can also place your modem in a central location, so doing so away from obstructions such as walls and furniture can improve the range and reliability of your Wi-Fi signal. So this may not really work since it's pretty much expected that you tried something like going near a modem, but you can always go ahead and try. You can also change your wireless mode if you want. You can do this by putting it in a newer and faster option such as a 802.11 AC in the modem settings. And the last step, if you already go ahead and tried all of this, is to consider upgrading your modem. So basically, just getting some sort of modem. You can go ahead and research on that. But anyways, hopefully some of these options can help you. And if they can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.